China did it again. We've had lots and lots of AI tools coming out of China, especially video generators with astonishing quality that will literally make you question whether it's AI or not. But what if I told you China just released a new AI tool, one that outranks all the other models out there? Think of it as an all-in-one hub for AI, everything packed into one place. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how you can access this tool, step by step, so make sure you don't skip anything. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe. So this right here is the AI tool I was telling you about, and from the get-go, you can see that there's truly a lot you can do with this AI tool. If you head over to the AI video tab, you'll see that it has lots and lots of realistic models out there. It has the top models like Seedance, VO3, Sora 2, and even the all-new Happy Horse, just to show you the priority that this AI tool gives you. But before we head over to video generation, let's test out the image generator. So you hover over here and see there are also lots of models you can use like Seedream, Nano Banana, Chrono Edit, Chat GPT, Image 2. For this, I'm just gonna go with Nano Banana 2. All you have to do is click right here and you'll be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that you get Nano Banana 2 right here. This AI tool, all you have to do is scroll down and type in a prompt. Like I can say, realistic image of a dog in a park. Just like this, I can choose to upload a reference image. I'm just gonna leave it as is and take the resolution to 4K. Make sure everything is set. I recommend going with PNG output format and click on Generate Image, and our image is being generated. Honestly, this doesn't take much time. Just give it a few minutes while it generates, and in no time, we have this beautiful image right here, and it looks really good. No word morphing, no distortion. It adhered to the prompt perfectly. All you have to do is click on Download, and our image will be downloaded straight into your device. This AI tool handles generations really well. Like you can test it out with another prompt. I can clear this out. I can say, realistic image of a woman with pink hair. Just like this. With the same settings, just click on Generate. Once again, our image is currently being generated. Just give it a few minutes and do keep in mind that this is a China-owned website. And you know, China is always ranked #1. Okay, our image is done generating, and honestly, this did a really great job as well. Honestly, you wouldn't even tell this is AI. It looks really good. No word morphing, no distortion, and you can as well download it straight into your device with no watermark at all by clicking here. So now, of course, you're covered on how to generate images. Let's head over to here. So just head over to the AI video tab and select Seedance right here and be loaded over to this interface. You have two choices here. You can either choose to generate with a reference image, or you can use the full free text-to-video AI right here, which is the one I'm going to be using. So just click on Text to Video. All you have to do is type in a prompt. Like I can say, realistic video of a woman wearing a jacket walking down the sidewalk just like this, and can choose the model whether you want Seedance 2 or Seedance 2 Fast, which I will leave it as Seedance 2 Fast for faster generations. And for the resolution, I'm going to take it to 720p, and I'm going to leave the aspect ratio at 16:9. You can as well take duration all the way up to 15 seconds, which is really great. I'm just gonna leave it at 10 seconds for this, and click on Generate Video. Once again, just as the image generator, this doesn't take much time at all. You can see it's already being generated on screen, so just give it a couple of minutes, and in no time, our video is ready. Let's take a look at what the AI tool did for us. Honestly, this is really good. No weird morphing, no weird distortion. It adhered to the prompts perfectly. She's wearing a jacket and she's walking on the sidewalk. Even the cars moving in the background look really good. They don't look like AI at all. The capabilities we get using this AI tool, Seedance 2. I can as well test out another prompt by clearing this out and saying realistic video of a dog running in the park, just to test out how it generates its animals. I'll click on Generate Video, and our video is being generated once again. Just give it a couple of minutes while it generates. It doesn't take much time, and you have a beautiful video like this and honestly, this was really, really good. No weird morphing, no distortion, the dog is running in the park. It has to show you that it doesn't generate random videos. It actually listens and adheres to the prompt. The name of this tool is jpx.com. The link will be in my bio.